The unseen insights of intuition, understanding spontaneous precognition. In the realm of spirituality and the intangible connections that riddle our lives, certain experiences seem to defy conventional explanation and lead us to ponder on deeper layers of human consciousness. One such phenomenon is spontaneous precognition, a rare but profound experience where individuals feel as if they are remembering future thoughts, events, or encounters before they actually occur. This notion can be illuminated through a spiritual lens, which in some traditions is seen as the ability to perceive hidden truths and realities not accessible through normal sensory channels. This understanding posits that some individuals are capable of accessing a deeper, more profound level of awareness, allowing them glimpses into the future events as if these events are already part of their memory. Take, for instance, a personal experience that exemplifies this phenomenon. Imagine driving through a neighborhood, aware that someone significant, perhaps a crush, resides in that vicinity. As you navigate the familiar streets, a thought casually drifts into your mind. I could potentially see her, being within proximity. Merely a minute later, as if the universe conspired to turn thought into reality, you see her walking on the sidewalk. As you drive past, your eyes meet, and in that fleeting moment, the magnetic force seems to envelop you both. It's as if you are trying to recognize each other, and just as the realization dawns, you already passed by. This moment of precognition might not just be a random coincidence, but could stem from a deeper emotionally charged connection. The fact that you had seen her walking home in the past could have subconsciously prepared your mind to anticipate her presence again. This is not merely a recollection of past memories, but a vivid remembering of a potential future interaction, influenced perhaps by the strong emotional ties developed from previous interactions. Such experiences invite us to explore the possibility that our minds might be capable of more than we are aware, tapping into a profound source of knowledge that blurs the lines between past, present, and future. This form of intuitive insight suggests that our deep emotional connections and frequent thoughts about someone or something can prime us to remember future events involving them, adding a mystical dimension to our understanding of human consciousness. In this light, spontaneous precognition isn't just a psychological anomaly, but a window into the intricate and mysterious ways in which our minds interact with the world around us, possibly hinting at a broader interconnected existence where time and awareness converge in unexpected ways. A spiritual glimpse beyond the veil. Delving further into the essence of spontaneous precognition, this phenomenon can be understood through the spiritual framework frequently explored in Islamic mysticism. This perspective suggests the ability to gain a deeper, more profound revelation of events beyond ordinary perception. This perspective views such insights not as mere coincidences, but as signs and subtle guidances woven into the fabric of our daily lives by a greater power. In this spiritual framework, the rare and unexpected moments of precognition are considered to be more than just anomalies or quirks of the human mind. They are potentially divine nudges, gentle unveilings of the curtain that separates the known from the unknown, allowing certain individuals fleeting access to the realm of the unseen. This subtle unveiling is thought to occur particularly when there is a significant spiritual and emotional dimension involved, suggesting a deeper interconnectedness to our lives that we are only occasionally permitted to perceive. Moreover, this divine moment is most likely to happen when one is attuned to who they truly are and aware of their closeness to a greater power, recognizing and appreciating this profound relationship. Such attunement opens one up to insights and intuitions that can transcend ordinary perception. Linking back to the earlier personal example, the unexpected encounter with a significant other in the neighborhood might be perceived as more than a simple act of fate. From this spiritual viewpoint, the precise timing and emotional intensity of such an encounter could be interpreted as a sign, a moment of revelation intended to make both individuals pause and reflect on the potential significance of their meaning. It might be considered a divinely orchestrated event, meant to ignite introspection and perhaps to signal the possibility of a deeper relational dynamic at play. This interpretation invites us to consider that our most profound moments of precognition might indeed be guided by a higher wisdom, serving as bridges between our everyday reality and a more expansive spiritual landscape that we are only occasionally granted glimpses of. Such experiences challenge us to reflect on the nature of our connections and the mysterious paths through which our lives are directed, possibly hinting at a divine invitation to explore the depths of our interconnections and the spiritual lessons they hold.